Hi guys, DiecastPassion channel here, and you can see now that my new model is Jaguar XKR-S year 2011, 1/18 scale by AUTOart Performance. It's a classic diecast. I paid about €100 for it, but you can buy it for €164 on ckmodelcars.de. AUTOart offers two versions. Mine is French Racing Blue, the other is Italian Racing Red. I chose this blue because I personally like it more than the red, and even I have a lot of red models in my collection. So simple choice for me. But why I bought this model? Because I haven't had any Jag yet, so this is my first Jag and I'm trying to expand my collection of British cars. But is this model good enough? So let's find out. First, let's talk about paint. This French Racing Blue color looks great on this Jag and paint is very smooth. I didn't find any defect or roughness. Stand on this model is good. I compare it with the real car and it's okay, but I think that gaps between front wheels and fenders are a little bigger than rear. I was really impressed with the undercarriage detail of the XKR-S. There is a lot to see. This image will speak for itself. Wheels are classic AUTOart work, very well made. The entire combination is beautifully executed. This includes the calipers, metal brake discs and wheels. Especially red calipers are great with blue car paint. Headlights and rear lights are fine too. On the model are just two grills and both are in the front. They are perforated and it looks okay. Jag emblem and RS logo looks good and very nice carbon detail too. Also very tight gaps as you can see. The rear is much like front, but I missed some plate here. I just think that something missed on the rear. Maybe too empty space. But a very nice carbon spoiler with brake light. The engine detail is nice, but I've seen better from AUTOart in the past. Seems a little boring and plastic. I think some carbon detail would have suited well. In the back is fully carpeted storage. Inside the model features a full black interior with full carpeting throughout, right hand steering. But it seems to me a little boring. It could be better with some color combination, I think, maybe red. So, what's my verdict? I enjoy this AUTOart diecast Jaguar. It isn't 100% perfect, but what model is? Definitely I recommend it to you because it's another piece of AUTOart. So that's all. Thanks for watching guys and see you soon.